Our short phrase and sentence for you today is nri okafodoro. Nri okafodoro. Some will say nri okaforo, which means, is food still remaining? If you ask your mom or your wife this question, one of the ways she can answer is to say mba ogola. As you can see in the picture above, there's no more food. Mba ogola. Some will say mba ogugo, which means no, it's finished. As you can see from the picture above, it's finished. Mba ogola. Take special note of the color of each word in case this is the first time you are watching this video series. As we do them, we'll give them color codes to help you understand the individual meanings. Take note of that and begin to practice this over and over again until you can pronounce it well and use it accordingly. And step out there to tell somebody, tell your wife, ask your sister, ask your mom, nri or kafodoro. And as you do this, we'll advise you that you also try to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also, like and comment so they can help others to discover this and equip us to serve you better. God bless you.